I just wanted to say that the company that I am working with to do the voice cloning and text-to-speech has been taking my advice to make it better, and they are working on a better version with hopefully a more natural speaking pattern. They took my complaints and advice to a level that actually surprised me. I did mention that I have about 30 years as a software tester, and they seem to like my suggestions. So I can't promise yet that it will go exactly as I hope, but I am hopeful and optimistic. I was paying a certain amount monthly to use the tool, and my main complaint was that with the limitations I was wasting my monthly character allotment. They came back and suspended my monthly plan and gave me a free yearly pro plan to work with and test their new releases. I had told myself that I wanted a yearly plan and for them to take my advice to make it better, and that is exactly what happened. It's surreal that you can do things like this, but you can. The thing with this is that while I wanted this outcome, I had zero real attachment to it. I guess that is why it happened so fast. If only we could have that kind of speed with lottery winnings, eh? I decided to make this message with one of their commercial voices, just for fun. So, have confidence that you can manifest your desires, and it can come very quickly. This little outcome of mine happened over the course of about 2 to 3 weeks and some back and forth emails with the creator of the online tool. Whether it ends in exactly the way that I envisioned doesn't even really matter, because if I stop right here with this result, it is still a miraculous manifestation. I mean, I got a yearly subscription, and over US $100 value, completely free. I am providing value in return, but for me that is effortless since it's what I do. I notice that so many people online seem like they're going from content creator to content creator, shopping around for advice. What you need to know is that all the advice that you need is within you. We are all each other pushed out, so we are co-creating this whole thing, together, in a miraculously choreographed ballet of intertwined experiences within our collective 3D. Sometimes the most simple thoughts manifest amazing things quickly and effortlessly, so put less effort into stressing about it or wondering where it is. I put zero time into thinking about this thing when I wasn't actually using it or communicating with the developers, and I think that was key to the relatively fast outcome. Sometimes these things happen as a way for our essential being to teach us how it's really done. You just have to have your eyes and ears open to recognize when these teachable moments arise. I hope that my little experience provides some value to my subscribers and listeners. Please like, share, and subscribe. More likes help get my videos in front of more people. Thank you.